Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Sam's Club. So let me take you to their website, which is samsclub.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Sam's Club is a membership-based retail warehouse offering bulk savings on groceries, electronics, furniture, and everyday essentials. On samsclub.com, members can shop online for exclusive deals, same-day delivery, and convenient curbside pickup. With unbeatable prices and a wide selection, Sam's Club is one-stop destination for families and businesses looking to save more. So what you're waiting for? If you're from United States of America and if you want to come to their website, explore all these amazing products and buy something for yourself, for your business, for your family, create a membership with them and buy any of these products that you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Sam's Club. Possible? Why not? Simply join their affiliate program, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we could end up getting commission. So the affiliates from which country can apply to be part of the affiliate program? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you can apply to the affiliate program and you could get the approval from them. To the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to receive commission? You will only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from the consumers of United States of America. And to know more about the affiliate program, you can come to the footer section of the website. And over here, you can click on affiliates program, which will take you to the affiliate program page. Over here, you can learn more about them. You can learn about the affiliate program from FAQs. You can explore any of these frequently asked questions and find the answer of anything that I could not cover in this video. And how exactly can you apply to the affiliate program? For that, you can come to the website called Rakuten Advertising. Now, what is Rakuten Advertising and what does that have to do with Sam's Club? So Rakuten Advertising is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Sam's Club, we must create an affiliate account with Rakuten Advertising. Now, Rakuten Advertising calls affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers, so don't get confused. How do you create an account with them? Simply click on Become a Publisher from the top right hand side. It will take you to this page. You can complete the registration and get yourself an account with Rakuten Advertising, the publisher account. Now I understand there are many nuances involved when registering with any of the affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Rakuten Advertising affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free publisher affiliate account of Rakuten Advertising. Once you have an account with them, you can come to their website once again. This time, hover over login and click on affiliate publisher. It will take you to the login page, enter your credentials, and then it will take you to something called Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there. I mean, their affiliate program, but the focus of this video is Sam's Club. Now, how do you find their affiliate program? For that, you can hover over advertisers. You can click on find advertisers. It will take you to this section over here within the search bar. Search for Sam, just type in Sam and then click on enter. And then we would be able to see some tiles here. We can see Sam's Club Brazil and we got Sam's Club. So you can also apply to Sam's Club Brazil if you like. To have more details, you can click on advertiser profile within Sam's Club. It will take you to the advertiser information page of Sam's Club. Once here, you can click on about and you will have some details. There's a summary, there's a terms and condition. You can click on download and view terms and services and ensure you read it thoroughly. It's very important so that you ensure you stay compliant with their terms and condition. And then if you scroll down, you will see some contact details. In case if you want to reach out to them, you can always use this contact details to be in touch with them. And then if you click on offers, you get to see commission rate. So you can see 2% on the sale amount. That means if you bring sales to them, you could end up getting 2% commission on the sale amount. And if you bring membership to them, you could get 15% commission on that membership amount. Then if you click on see full offer details, you would be able to see more than that. You would be able to see commission rates and rules, guidelines for approval, so you can read and try to understand how you can get approval from them. And then if you click on links, you would be able to see all the kind of links that they provide. So they provide product links, text link, and banner links, just for a quick view if you want to have a look at it. And then they got features and services. If you click here, you would be able to see what they provide. So they provide product catalog. That means all the products, you can get it in an inventory form, so you could integrate it on your website if you prefer. And then if you scroll down, you can see they do not allow paid search. And then over here, they allow commission on gift cards, and then coupons, provides coupon codes through publisher channel. They don't, so they do not provide coupons. They also do not allow the use of coupon codes available to the public. And then if you scroll down, you can see delivery options. So that's what we talked about. You would only be able to receive commission if you bring sales to them from United States consumers. Now, let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. For that, simply click on apply. And over here, if you haven't yet read the terms and condition, you might want to read it and then click on accept terms and condition and click on send request. When you do that, your application to the affiliate program team of Sam's Club would go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they could give you the approval. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. How would you know that you have been approved by them? For that, you will receive an email. And once you have received the email, you can come to the publisher dashboard once again. This time, click on advertisers and click on my advertisers. It will take you to the section. Over here, you would be able to see approved brands, including Sam's Club. In my case, for my test account, I got approval from Panda Hall. Same way, if you get approval from Sam's Club, you would be able to see them listed here. Now what? Since you've gotten the approval, you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link, or you have to create tracking link. How do you create tracking link? For that, you can click on links and click on link tools. It will take you to the section. Over here, you can click on deep links. And within choose advertiser, you can search for Sam's Club and select them. But just for the demo purpose, I'm going to select Panda Hall, since we're still waiting for Sam's Club to review the application and to make the decision. Once you've selected your advertiser, let's say you select Sam's Club, you can choose the format as URL. And let's say you want to create a tracking link for the homepage. Copy this link, come to the deep linking page. Over here within destination URL, put in the link and then click on create deep link. What this will do, it will create a tracking link for you. But since I'm trying to create a tracking link of Sam's Club using Panda Hall as an advertiser, I got this error message. But assuming if you select Sam's Club from here and you select URL, and if you mention this URL, it should be able to create the tracking link for you. You can also create your own text link or own image link. But for text link, you have to mention the display text name. And to create image link, you must be entering the image URL. But generally, people use deep links to create tracking links, the URL format of the tracking links. Now, let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing ones. In that case, you can hover over links and this time click on find links, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can select any of the kind of links that you want. For example, you're interested to see banner links of Sam's Club, so you can click on banners, and within filter, you can choose my advertiser, public links only, and within select advertiser, you can select Sam's Club. But just for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with Panda Hall because I'm not yet approved by Sam's Club. But once you have been approved by Sam's Club, you can click on my advertisers, select Sam's Club, and then click on apply filter. This will allow you to see different banners available for Sam's Club. Let's say you like this banner and assume this banner is of Sam's Club. You can click on get link, and over here it will show you all these options. You can click on link option. You can also click on view code and take this HTML link code and integrate it from the backend of your website. So this is how you can get the link code of different types of link, that is text link, banner links, or product links. You can also hover over links and go to product feed to see the product links available for Sam's Club, assuming you have been approved by them. All right, so you have learned how to create or get the tracking links. The next question arises, where can you start promoting Sam's Club? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by Sam's Club, you might want to promote them maybe on the homepage, maybe on the category page, seasonal page, whatever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic. Choose that place on your website and start promoting them there. Blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write different blog posts, maybe about Sam's Club, maybe about Sam's Club membership, or maybe about different products available, exclusively available on Sam's Club. This way, when people would read the blog post, if they like it, maybe you integrate your tracking link somewhere within the blog post. So if they like your blog post, they could click on that link and may end up buying that product of Sam's Club. In return, you end up getting commission. Third way is shopping website. Now, as an affiliate, if you got a shopping website, I think it's great because people come to these kind of websites to explore different products, correct? So you might want to have products available on Sam's Club feature on your shopping website. So this way, when people would come to your website, they will search around, and if they find the products, assuming these products are of Sam's Club, they'll click on those product links, and if they buy, you end up getting commission. All right, so these are some of the ways you can promote them. It's up to you. You can use your innovation and promote Sam's Club and bring sales to them. What about the performance? Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the Rakuten Advertising Publisher dashboard once again. This time, hover over reports and click on performance. And it will take you to the section. And within performance report, you can click on choose report. And over here, you can, let's say, run revenue report by day to see your performance per day. You can run sales and activity report or maybe individual item report to see your performance. What about the commission? So let's say all the sales that you brought in for Sam's Club, you will accumulate your commission within Rakuten Advertising. And once they receive your commission from Sam's Club, they will issue that commission to you. And you would be able to track all this within payment and invoices. And to receive this commission, you can click on account details. It will take you to this section. Over here, you can click on payment method. And here you can decide if you want to receive the payment via check. If yes, then click on check, click on verify and save. If you want to receive the commission via ACH, click on direct deposit ACH and update your banking details. And if you want to receive commission via PayPal, select PayPal and enter your PayPal account details. Once you've done it, just click on verify and save. So this is how you can update your payment method. You can start getting commission from Rakuten Advertising. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Sam's Club. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start bringing sales to them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Sam's Club. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.